damn steering wheel.
This is the new drop. We got 2 new shirts, we got air fresheners, decals. The first one is my EK one. It was stands out on the Volk T37s, and the second one is Michael's wide body Genesis. These shirts are super high quality, pre-shrunk, 100% cotton, and super affordable. We have a 3-pack of air fresheners. If you smell like shit, get this, or your car smells like shit, get this. You're gonna smell like a champion. Then we got 2 high quality matte decals. This is probably the highest quality decal or sticker I've made yet. It is so good. The material's thick and it feels fantastic. Everything is live at streetlegacy.ca. I'm gonna flip the shirt so you can see the front of the shirts. This is the back. Super high quality. You guys are gonna love it. The front of the EK shirt will have this Street Legacy logo. The front of the Genesis will have the cherry blossom. These are so freaking dope and I'm so happy with the quality. Make sure to get them before they're gone. Today is going to be a super fun day. First, we are going to install some awesome spoon stuff on the EK, and then after, we're gonna head to a meet that has very, very good quality cars there. So the goal is install the spoon stuff, give this a quick wash, meet Josh and the guys, and I'm on a time limit of 3 hours. Wish me luck. Let's see if we can do this. To anyone who hasn't seen the EK in the last video, this is the new look. This is a Millennium Jade green wrap with Group B wheels, spoon calipers, and it looks so freaking good. I am so happy with how this car came out. This makes me want to paint the car and do all the bodywork. That is something we're gonna do in the future. But today, we are going to get rid of this nasty, crusty steering wheel. Let's get to it. It should be a pretty simple install. I've never done a steering wheel before, but I've done motor swaps and a bunch of other stuff, so I think we are good. So this is what we're installing today. We have a Momo hub. That is the part number right here for once to focus in for you guys. This is the spoon steering wheel, and I got this all at Garage 16. If you want anything, check out garage16.ca or come and shop and use Lowpes 5 and save yourself some money. First thing we're gonna do is pop the hood and loosen the terminal to the battery. We do not want an airbag blowing up and hitting our face. It's happened to me before, and it's not fun. On each side of the steering wheel, you're going to have this cap here. We're going to pop this cap off like that, and then we're going to have this Torx bit, I believe that's what it's called, and we are going to remove these, which will release the airbag. You are going to grab a Torx bit. It's a T30 and a medium ratchet with an extension, and we should be able to get to it. So once we've loosened it, you should be able to take this out like that, and then you're going to have things plugged into here, so don't rip it out, and slowly just remove it. This, just a bit of love, comes out also. And there we go. I don't think we're going to continue with this clock spring. I got the clock spring out. It was routed underneath here, and then there was 2 plugs over here. The only thing I'm concerned about is how to get the horn working. I'm not too sure yet. We're gonna figure it out. Little grooves and rivets on the base here, and you have to align it. Make sure to torque this down to the correct spec. I will put it on the screen here. What do you guys think? I think it looks really good. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the spoon rear view mirror to accompany the Street Legacy air freshener that smells oh so delightful, oh so good. It's absolutely crazy to think that I have this steering wheel in the car. I've always wanted a spoon steering wheel. I've always been a spoon fanboy, I guess you can say. I've always loved their products. So now we are going to add another spoon product. This is the rear view mirror. This is a very easy mod. It sticks over the original mirror. You do not have to remove nothing. So this is the original mirror. I have just a clean cloth here, and I am just wiping down. I used some water. Now I'm just wiping off all the excess and the wetness and stuff, and this is just literally going to stick on, and it's going to be a blue tint. And let's see if we can kind of get a view. It's gonna be hard, but that's how it kind of looks like right now, so you guys can kind of see. Let's darken it. Now let's do the mirror. Look at that difference. Holy shit, we're in the same spot, the same angle. I'm sitting in the same seat. Now you can see absolutely everything. It is so good. It's such a cheap, inexpensive, authentic mod that makes such a nice difference. I absolutely love these. Once again, all this was purchased from Garage16. Grab it, boys and girls, grab it. The car is looking absolutely amazing. Let's give it a quick wash. I'm going to do a very, very quick wash before we head down to Garage16, meet with the boys, and head out to the meet.
I rise and I wake and I gotta go get it. I'm making my bed and it's straight to the digits. No cup of jokers, that shit is acidic. So I take a shot with the lemon and ginger. Look in the mirror like, yeah, I'm the nigga. Look in the mirror like, damn it, I'm fitted. Looking outside like the world is on mine.
All right, I'm sweating up a storm here. The car is washed, steering wheel's installed. Let's go for a drive, meet up with the boys at Garage16, and then we're gonna head down to the meet, grab some food. What's really nice about this meet is that it's kind of low key. There's not many stupid people doing stupid things there, and there's high quality cars there, from what I've told. Let's find out. You know what, I actually was decently surprised with the steering wheel. I do not have, let me just shift here, I do not have the power steering, and my alignment's really off on top of that. But it's, ever since switching the steering wheel out, it's actually a lot easier to turn. So, I don't know, maybe, I don't know why, I can't explain it, but it's a lot easier to turn. I just may have beaten an Accord in a race, and now he just... We are here at Garage16. We are at the pre-meet before heading down, and the lineup is actually quite nice. We have the EK, we have Calvin's beautiful fit. Look at this thing, goddamn. Josh's race car with a K, and then the sleeper. All right, well, let's get on. This should be good. As you can see, the lineup of cars here alone is really nice. I can't wait till we actually go to the meet and see what's up. We're gonna grab food. I'm starving. The spoon steering wheel is amazing. It gets so dirty so quickly though. I gotta clean it. I'm super hyped.
Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah. Ayy, you pay me what I'm owed, yeah. Yeah, all this money on me. Yeah, cash rules all around me. Yeah, all this money around me. Yeah, cash rules all around me.
All right, we are super early here, but the lineup is gangster AF. Check this out. We have an insane track 9 gen. We got a baby track 9 gen.
Let's not.
We got Calvin's, a yellow fit, obviously the Millennium Jade, my EK, a supercharged 9 gen, a turbo, not built, but trannies built RSX, and a dope Del Sol. Look at that thing. That thing is so cool. And then the night's just gonna get busier and busier and busier. Then we're gonna get food. And
I'm hungry, man. I'm so hungry.
Shit. going to try honey butter chips. This is a first. This is recommended. Let's see. All you taste is butter.
Yeah.
It's so good. Yo. Okay. And then, do I gotta shake this or anything?
No, don't shake it.
Oh, so it's fizzy. Oh yeah, it's fizzy. This is so good. Oh my god. And we got more food coming. This is just like the beginning.
Why are you so zoomed in on my face?
It's a very wide lens. I can get like here down.
Can I get an autograph?
Only on your ass.
Can you sign my tits?
I can't.
Can you sign my
Josh
ankle?
snapped here. I did. Is it good?
Really good.
Okay,
One of
let's
my
see.
favorite food.
Alright guys, I'm here editing and I noticed that I did not make an outro. Well, that video was shot a couple days ago and I just wanted to recap a little bit. That was an awesome day. I have not done a car meet in a very, very long time. And if you guys enjoy the video, enjoy car meets and some highlights from these car meets, definitely let me know down below. And if you see you or any of your friends in the video, make sure you tag your instas down below so everyone could see your dope builds. The meet was so chill, it was so good, it was good to connect with a bunch of people and see a lot of cool builds. The spoon steering wheel looks so freaking dope inside that interior. The interior is coming together slowly but surely. We have a ton more things to do. But I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you guys stuck to the end, make sure you hashtag I'm an OG, confuse everyone else. I appreciate you guys, I love you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and if you can, share. Let's get this algorithm going again so views can go up. Views means money, and money means cooler car things. I invest every single dollar I get from my merch and my YouTube back into it so I can make more content and more cool stuff for you guys. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Do it once. Do it right. Later.